Hi everyone. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about a powerful PowerShell command to know about PC RAM's exact speed and manufacturer. Go to Start. Type power. Go to Windows PowerShell. Now simply type or paste this command. The command will be in the description too. Press Enter. Here you can see there are 3 RAMs. The manufacturer is Corsair. The capacity shown is 8 billion bytes, means 8 gigabytes. And finally the speed shown here is 2133 MHz. I have total 3 RAMs in this PC and all the RAM stick speed is 2133 MHz. So this is how you can simply use a PowerShell command to know details info about your installed RAM. We upload useful tech tutorials. Please be with us and subscribe to inspire. Goodbye.